guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be filming a clean with me. This was just a typical night after work. I had just gotten in the shower and had a lot to clean up. It was about the middle of the week. I think this was like a Tuesday night if I remember correctly. So first thing I'm going to do is just clean up my dishes. They had accumulated from the night before. I had made some muffins and just did not feel like cleaning up everything afterwards. So you'll see me cleaning up that. And don't mind the Easter decorations in the front there. I still have not put those away, and to be honest with you, have yet to put them away. So that's a good reminder. I need to put those away. Easter is long gone. Baking soda here. This is my favorite trick to get my sink to look really bright and super clean. I swear this does the trick, and it's super cheap. I just take some of the baking soda, spray it in my sink, and then I get a brand new Brillo pad using my gloves and just brush it really good. And then at the end you'll see me just use a tiny bit of water and it looks brand new. I love it. Could be here to watch me take out the trash. My dogs come from wherever they are. They'll wake up out of a dead sleep to watch me take out the trash. It's like, I don't know, their favorite time of the week. They think something's gonna fall out and they're gonna get a little treat. majority of my clothes to air dry. I just feel like it makes them dry better and not shrink. So unfortunately this takes a ton of time, but I do think it's worth it in the end. So I have a spare bedroom and I call it my laundry room because basically all I do in there is laundry and ironing. I fold my socks, whoops, I just dropped one. I fold my socks using the KonMari method, and this has really helped. Honestly, my socks last a lot longer and they are not stretched out. Every time I put on a pair of socks, they feel brand new by folding it this way. I swear by it. If you haven't read The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, I actually just listened to it on Audible. Make sure you do that because, I don't know, I swear it has, at least in some way, changed my life. If you guys are wondering who I'm listening to on the iPad over there, it's Gary Vaynerchuk. If you have not heard of him, you need to immediately after this video Google him or go on YouTube and watch one of his motivational speeches. He is amazing. I love his speeches. He is so inspiring. And one of the reasons I keep doing YouTube.
Like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
That is going to wrap it up for tonight's cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave comments and suggestions in the comments below. I'd love to know what you guys would like to watch, and I'll talk to you soon.